There's a common term confusion when people start working with WordPress, and it's one that is often perpetuated by the community itself. So before we get going, I want to start you off right by explaining the differences between WordPress, WordPress.org, and WordPress.com. Let's start at the top. WordPress is the application we're going to be working with. WordPress is free, open source, and can be downloaded and installed on any standard web server. In other words, to use WordPress as a self-hosted application, you need to have a domain name and have or rent space on a web server. So while WordPress itself is free, hosting WordPress on the web will run you anywhere from $5 to $30 a month for a basic package. WordPress.org is the website from which you can download WordPress, the application. This is also the place you can download themes and plugins, find help in user forums, and find documentation about how to use and develop content for WordPress. WordPress.com, the service we'll be talking about in this course, is a cloud-hosted service that runs WordPress, where you can set up your own free blog or website without having to worry about web servers and updates and security. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to get started blogging or to make a basic website, WordPress.com is by far the better option. The term confusion comes when people say they have a WordPress.org site. What they mean to say is that they have a self-hosted WordPress site. So now you know. The WordPress you get on WordPress.com is a highly customized version of WordPress, and it has enhancements and limitations. Choosing what option is right for you, a self-hosted WordPress site or one hosted in the cloud on WordPress.com, is a matter of mapping out the needs of your site and where you want to take it in the future. The great thing is that whichever decision you make, self-hosted or hosted on WordPress.com, does not have to be final. You can build a site on WordPress.com and then move it to a self-hosted solution down the road if need be, and you can also do the opposite. WordPress is incredibly flexible in all aspects, even when it comes to how it's hosted. Deciding what option is best for you boils down to an assessment of what you need and what is available. But like I said, you can always switch around if you find that your original choice was not the right one. In this course, we'll be focusing on creating websites using WordPress.com. If you're interested in hosting WordPress on your own server to get more control, check out the WordPress Essential Training course right here in the lynda.com library, hosted by yours truly.